Hey friends, if the Hibernate mode is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video for the resolutions. So the first solution is to disable fast startup. Why? Because it prevents the Hibernate mode. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. This will open the power options window. Now click on choose what the power buttons do. Click on this option. Change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck the switch associated with turn on fast startup and click on save changes. This will solve the problem for a lot of users, but if it does not, then you can simply reset the power plan. Just in case any other settings had rearranged the current settings which allowed Hibernate. So press the Windows key and the R button together once again, power cfg.cpl, hit enter. Now click on change plan settings. Now we have this option here, restore default settings for this plan, and click on yes. The last solution will be an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator and open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to our channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.